Gmail not receiving verification code. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn some of the ways on how we can fix if our Gmail app is not being able to receive verification code. Now, first of all, decide from which app you're receiving, because if you're trying to receive a verification code from Facebook, it could be that the problem is coming from Facebook. Another thing you want to check is to see, first of all, if you're receiving emails. So you can ask your friend to simply send you an email and see if you're receiving an email. If you're receiving email from your friend but not the verification code that some kind of social media site is trying to send you, in that case the problem is with those sites and you might want to try to retry it again. But let's say in one case scenario you are not also receiving emails and so on. Now for that, what you can do is tap the three lines option and just try to go to spam folder and see if the email actually went inside the spam folder, because sometimes that could be the case. The other is, if you are not receiving Gmail emails, then the only one reason is that your Google account storage is full. So your Gmail, all the Google apps, Google Contacts, Google Photos, they run on Google account storage, which gives you 15 gigabytes by default. So if those 15 gigabytes are full, obviously you will not be able to receive more emails, backup more contacts and photos. So to check that, you can basically just go ahead and then try to tap your Google profile photo here, and then you should be able to see all this where you can see storage used. So tap on storage used and you'll see the storage. So if this storage is full, it means that your Gmail or your Google account storage is full and you will not be able to receive emails until you clean up those spaces by clearing up some of the Google Drive or Google Photos files and so on. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.